Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.1 question 4 beat 1 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly we have in question number 4 beat 1. So moving to the question number 4 beat 1, it is given that which of the following are arithmetic progressions. If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. And the given scenario is like 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. So let's see how we can solve this question. Now moving on to the solution. Here we need to find out if the below list of number forms an AP. If AP, then we need to find out the common difference D and we need to also write the next 3 terms. The question is pretty clear, like we need to find out if the given numbers forms an arithmetic progression. If they form an arithmetic progression, then we need to find out the common difference and then we also need to find out the next 3 terms. Okay, so the given number sequence is like 2, 4, 8, 16. As usual, let us put the number sequence in a tabular form. We are putting the number sequence in a tabular form because it will help us to make the calculation easy and it will eradicate all the confusions. So now we are creating a 4-column table with 3 rows because there are 4 numbers. So let's give first term to the first cell, second term to the second cell, third term to the third cell and fourth term to the fourth cell. Now putting the first value like 2 under first term, 4 under second term, 8 under third term, 16 under fourth term. Now naming A1 to first term, A2 to second term, A3 to third term and A4 to fourth term. Guys, just we are naming A1, A2, A3, A4 to each of these terms so that it will make our calculation easy. Now we are going to find out the common difference. We are finding the common difference because to understand if the consecutive numbers difference is unique, like we are getting a constant difference. So we are finding the common difference. If the difference is consistent and constant, then the number sequence forms an arithmetic progression. So let's see, A4 minus A3, that means fourth term minus third term, that is equal to 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Similarly, third term minus second term, that is A3 minus A2, that is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Now A2 minus A1, that means second term minus first term, that is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Guys, we could see that we are getting the result as the common difference is 8, 4, 2. So these numbers are not consistent. Therefore, as there are no common difference among the consecutive numbers, hence this list does not form an arithmetic progression. As the number sequence is not an arithmetic progression, so finding the next 3 terms are not required. Because the question asked us if the numbers formed an arithmetic progression, then we are supposed to find out the next 3 terms. Hope guys you understood this calculation. If still you have any doubts or concerns, kindly write to me at the comments of this video so that I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my video, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.